Hello and good day and welcome to another Cadogan tutorial. My name is Cadogan. Today I'll be showing you how to install group policy objects in Windows 2008. What you'll need to do is first click here, go into features, the policy management, click on domains, Cadogan, click on group policies, click new, click on, let's go with theme removal. Okay, so we're going to remove the theme. Right click and edit, and go into policies, administrative, control panel, display, desktop themes, remove theme option. Then we're going to double click on this, click enable, then OK. Now to get this to work, we're going to need to drag this here over to the Cadogan.com. Would you like to link this review to this domain? Click OK. Alright, and what you want to do now is close. We're going to show you how this works in our Vista client. So first we're going to need to do a GP update, which is a group policy update, to refresh, to apply the group policy that we just created. It might take a little while to update. Right now, right click, click personalize. As you can see, you don't have the option to change your theme. Now, before I close up on group policy objects, let me show you something interesting. Say that how we have our organizational unit here. I have created one, and I go into it, and I say I have a user in here, normal, okay, and I decide to create a say I decide to create a new group policy. New group policy object. Let's create it. Let's put back the theme on this user, right? And alright, and let's go click here. Edit, go to policies, go to administrative, go to control panel, then display, themes, enable, apply, okay. Right, and then we close this off here. So right now, test right now has a user called cheese in it. Basically, this user alone inside of this entire domain here will be allowed to change his theme because he is in an organizational unit. This theme, this group policy object will override this group policy object here. Alright, let's check this out. Let's go restart. Let's go log off and log back into the cheese user. Switch user, cheese, right, close that off, personalize, and as you can see now we can alter the themes on Windows Vista. So that's about it. That's about it for group policy objects. If you have any questions, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and we'll try to answer them as best as possible. Thank you.